everybody. This is Peter the Rock. I just ascended these steps to now be at the same level as the railway. As we saw a train just thundered past. Lovely ancient tree to greet me here with some dead ivy attached to it. This isn't a very well known walk, and I think I can see why. It's rather cluttered with weeds, and in fact it looks like you have to climb over some barbed wire to get anywhere. Given that, I'm not particularly keen on filming and clambering over barbed wire at the same time, so I think I shall go the more direct route, which is the one I've done previously, as this is a lesser used route and it's just not worth the hassle, basically. Anyway, a little bit of exploring done. I've never been up here before, and I've certainly never filmed a train from here before. Up in the sky there is a whir of a plane, and you can just about see it up there. Well, I can, and it's a small plane, possibly from Denham Aerodrome. I just don't know. There's quite a good view along the railway track in that direction. You can see where the bend in the track occurs, quite a serious bend. So I'm afraid that's going to be the extent of my exploring. I might try and attempt this walk from the other end if I can find it. But thanks a lot for watching. It's Peter. It's Sunday, the 24th of August, the penultimate Sunday in August. Cheers.